Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from NWatch and I'm back with another AliExpress watch accessories review. So this is video number maybe 19, right? So today the subject of today's AliExpress watch accessories review is this monster bracelet from Heimdallr, right? So yep, oops. Okay, the spring bar's flying. Alright, so let's just put the spring bar off. Right, so why would I review this particular bracelet? Because I think a few weeks back, or was it a month back, I can't remember, so a subscriber on my channel so asked me, hey man, do you know how to get those Heimdallr monster bracelet? So I said to him, okay, I will check it out. So I asked Heimdallr on their website and they give me a link, and at the same time I've also checked it on AliExpress, and the AliExpress is also selling the exact same bracelets. Of course, this will cost you about $45 US, so I think they are on sale maybe in a few days at about $43 US, and I think it is still worth the money, right? So before we go even further, let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I am wearing my Heimdallr Frost Monster, right? So it is I've done a full review for this particular piece, and it is on another stretchy strap from AliExpress, and I haven't done a review for this particular strap, but I will do soon, right? So why did he wanted to use this bracelet? Because his original bracelet for Seiko Monster version 1, I think he had version 1 has somehow broke, and he didn't really want to go for the OEM bracelet because those are going to be expensive. I think I heard or I saw someone selling it for about $100. So this is one of the best alternative out there, I think, right? So here on the left side, let's just let the spring bars fly away there. So it's the original Seiko bracelet, Seiko Monster bracelet that I have originally on this SRP 313K1, right? So the only difference that I can see here is this that long clasp here, right? So okay, so you know what, let's just compare it from bottom to top. So on the top side we have this polished top side here, where this lug width is 20 millimeters and flaring out at about 26 millimeters here, but the most important dimension is 20 millimeters up top. So you can see that they are almost similar. So polish on the top and brushing, and again alternating polish on the middle, polish, brushing, polish, brushing, polish, brushing, right? So but the similarity ends there. While the Heimdallr, the dimension here on the bracelet is maintained 20 millimeters until the clasp on the Seiko Monster bracelet. The part that attaches to this clasp is actually 18 millimeters. So you can see that there is a bit of step here which looks a bit ugly. It's not really that looks ugly and on this side, but on this side it does look a bit weird. So you can see that here 20 millimeters and boom, it goes down to 18 millimeters, and that looks a bit ugly. And if they are not sharp, to be completely honest, if sometimes you can get your finger through here and it does hurts a bit, right, if you're not careful. But yeah, so that is why I prefer this bracelet on the Heimdallr, because it is smooth, so there's no step down like this original Monster bracelet, right? So the second part that I do hate about this Seiko Monster bracelet is this diverse extension, which to be completely honest, you're not going to be using, right? So, and this part of the bracelet will always hurt my wrist, especially on this side, right? So on this side or on this side if I wear it on the right side. So that is why I don't like this bracelet. So this diverse extension, if they delete it, I think I'll be okay. Yeah. Okay, so on the Seiko Monster bracelet, it is a bit longer and it features this stamp clasp, right? So still we have 4 micro adjust here with a foldable clasp. And on the Heimdallr bracelet, again we have a foldable clasp and a double push button with a male clasp, right? So how cool is that? So I just prefer this over the original OEM Monster bracelet, because this has this stamp clasp, right? So again, very nice. And but the downside is, of course, we have only 3 micro edges, so that's not really a bad thing, because yeah, you know what, it is okay, not that bad, right? So, and one more thing, I can't really show you now, but this one featuring collar pin, sorry, a collar pin, right? So, but the collar pin is in the middle of the bracelet, so it is huge, oh sorry, it is long, so you will never ever miss that thing. But on the OEM bracelet, it features a tiny collar pin. When you push it from here, so it will stick onto your to your pin that you use to push it. And that thing, I've lost all of the all the color pins that is available on my original Seiko Monster bracelet, so I can't really add any more bracelet on this particular on this particular bracelet, right? So any more links to this particular bracelet, so this is a whole lot easier to use, right? So collar pins, not a big of problem, because the collar pins is a long one, right? So that's number 3. Okay, so I think that's that's just, you know what, let's just see how it looks, whether it fits the Seiko Monster or not. So I'm gonna try to be doing this live, so that you see that it is exactly the same specification. You can always use it on Seiko Monster. So this is on top side. So I am using my Heimdallr spring bars, which of course come on 2.5 millimeters, or the Fat Boy spring bars. So you just have to put it here, and let's just try to do this in real time, right? So I'm not gonna be pausing. I try not to pause. It's quite difficult to do this behind the camera, guys. Okay, I'm gonna pause. Okay guys, so finally I've got the the Heimdallr Monster bracelet on this Seiko Monster, the original Seiko Monster Gen 2, right? So definitely word of caution though. So if you guys try to use the Fat Boy spring bars, sometimes it kind of got stuck here, so you might want to use your maybe 2mm spring bar, so to reduce the gap between this how to say this, what do you call this, flange area on the bracelet, so it won't get stuck to this and scratch your watch or your bracelet. So that is my suggestion to use. So still there is a bit of play, but not that bad, so just make sure you use quite a thick 2mm spring bars, right? So again, the finishing is the same. So, and if you guys if the price, I think like I mentioned, the price is about 45 US dollars. The US dollars, if you want to justify you purchasing this this bracelet, you can also use this Heimdallr Monster bracelet on another Seiko model, such as the Seiko Mini Turtles, which I have done it before, and also you can use it on the Citizen NY0040. So I've done that before, so there is no issues whatsoever, right? So you know what, let's just quickly put it on wrist. So today, of course, the wristwatch check, I am wearing my Heimdallr Monster on V2 on this what do you call this, stretchy bracelet stretchy straps from Julong, or maybe other suppliers on AliExpress as well. So anyway, so cracking little watch. So you can see that beautiful frost dial there, and let's put it on my wrist, on the wrist, to see how it fits on my wrist. So I just prefer this, like I mentioned just now, I just prefer this because it doesn't have that diverse extension that would be useless, because I am not a diver, right? So very nice, fits really nice, and yeah, there's, it is a good replacement for the Seiko Monster bracelet if you don't want to fork quite a lot of money for the original thing, right? So yeah, what do you guys think of this strap review? So if you guys do want to use the want to get one for yourself, so please use the affiliated link, which I will be putting on the video description below. And if you guys want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please do guys check out my AliExpress watch accessories playlist. I have tons of contents there. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye.